Hey guys, it's Dave Mike, Ghetto Van Adventures, and again, just doing some stuff at home, saving a few bucks. Anybody that's wood stove, pellet stove, the glass gets dirty on it, obviously, because you're going to build up creosote and everything else. And, I don't know if you can see, there's a good way to see it. You get that, Mike?
Yep, got it.
Okay, take a wet paper towel, dip it in some of the ash. Now, you got to do this when the glass is cold, and then just scrub it down. I usually let that sit for a couple seconds, and grab an old shirt or an old rag or whatever, and give it a wipe down. And that is just doing it once. Can you see the difference there? Look at that. And pretty simple. And you can do it again over and over, clean up all around the edges if you want. I just like it to get the glass clear. There's your tip of the day, money saver. You don't need chemicals, you don't need cleaners, just a wet paper towel and some of the ash.